Okay, we're on stage 2 of the graffiti lettering sheet. I've been working on the colour palette here, and what I've done is created 4 different blended colours. I've thought about the positions on the colour wheel, and I've chosen some which I've blended through the colours. Some I've left a gap for effect, and some I've tried to make the blending as close as possible. So they're things that we can look at to experiment with our lettering. What we're going to do now is we're going to have a look at the lettering here. So just to start off, take one of these examples that I've done up here, and you can see on this letter C here, I've started to work by creating these opposing highlights on the letter. I'm using 3 colours here. I'm going to use a dark blue, a medium blue and a yellow. So I'm going to use these colours. Obviously I can use the blue in here, and for this area in here I want a lot of intensity, so I'm using a sharp pencil and I'm over burnishing it, going over again to get a nice strong colour at the top. I'll do the same down the bottom here with the yellow. And then the rest of this letter is fairly simple, is shading and blending through. So it's starting at the bottom with a really solid colour, blending up, and then with the yellow coming down and really almost trying to blend those colours through. And you might have to go back and forth to the colours to try and get the desired effect, and certainly to build up to get a nice strong colour. It does take a bit of time to get a good effect, but we can see there that I've completed the C in the same style as that. So that's the first one of the letters. What I would advise now, take another example, have a go with that, and then maybe go back to your colour palette and start trying to create some colours on these other letters. So that's the graffiti lettering sheet.